So we are finishing up our clean with me before Thanksgiving, and right now we are, at this point you've already seen our dining room video, but we're filming this halfway through the dining room video being done. The floor is drying, so while we're doing that, we moved on to the living room. All right, let me turn this around. So what we did first was went ahead, mopped, or vacuumed and mopped the hallway, cleaned the doors, the floors. Their room's getting put off till tomorrow. Did a little bit of hallway here, and then we started dusting off here. Dusted this. The blankets that were on this are in the laundry. The wall is being scrubbed there. Now, before I get started, I always like to work my way from top to bottom. So we dusted the ceiling fan and the two sconces that are left up there. And then from there, we just started doing the dusting over here. Also dusted off that's the electronic stuff that's in here, this table, and we have vacuumed this area floor right here. So the next thing I'm moving on to right now, and I'm going to work on the outdoor windows, and then I'm going to take a break. But let me show you first. Hi, Rebecca.
Hi.
So since we have all day today, hold on. Since we have all day today, while it's warm enough outside, we're getting a little bit of yard work done. I've got a little bit of grass that hasn't been knocked down yet that's going to. Hold on. So for now, hi, we're going to clean the glass out here, these big windows, and then once we're done with the big windows, Rebecca's doing the porch, Sarah's raking the driveway. That is a really big leaf. I think it's as big as your head. Hold it up in front of your head for a minute. Yeah, that leaf's as big as your head. Rebecca's going to get all the leaves off of the porch. Some of the ivy keeps creeping up. It's eventually going to be gone, but we just haven't had time. And we're going to take care of that. Get some outside stuff done, get this done, and then we'll be back with you with the rest of the living room. So it's a couple hours later. We came outside about 1:30. It's 5 o'clock now. Rebecca's got the front porch swept off and clean, and I've got to get that trash inside. Okay, now it's perfectly clean. And it sounds like it's raining now. It may just be the leaves in the wind. She got the sidewalk cleared off, so the front entryway is done. The glass door is washed and ready now. So that's done. And Chubby thinks we're going somewhere, which we are for one day, but he thinks we're going on vacation again and leaving him again. He loves the dog sitter, but he hates when we leave. These blankets just got put in the wash. Chubby's bedding just got put in the dryer. Rebecca is going to get the school corner clean.
And I'm gonna pick up that pile over there.
Rebecca is insisting on piling up those sight word cards, and then she's gonna finish the corner, right? Madeline's cooking dinner, so we're gonna what are we doing next? Oh, so I'm gonna take the vacuum, and it has an upholstery brush. I'm gonna vacuum off the chair and the couch and hang this laundry up that I couldn't hang up while the dining room floor was drying, and then I'll check back in with you. Chubby, I think you're laying on your bed the wrong way. So other than a happy puppy who's laying on his bed the wrong way, we washed these two blankets last night, this one and this one. That table was cleaned off. That's my craft stuff for when I'm relaxing at night with Netflix. That trash was taken out. I've got to dump that back out again from last night. That picture is going to be hung up. And then, so today I'm going to take these blankets off, clear the couches off, and I'm going to use the upholstery brush and vacuum off the seating surfaces. Madeline cleaned this table off for me last night. I was uploading the video that you watched yesterday this morning. So the computer is out and working on stuff right now. But this was cleaned off. Magazines were restacked and sorted through. Sarah's finishing up the school corner. Most of it was cleaned last night. It's just a little bit of sweeping that I told them not to worry about till this morning, because we're going to sweep and we're going to vacuum it all out. Because the slate floor is really hard to keep clean. But it works better to have the school stuff all in that corner. Hi. And she has an itty bitty broom, and she also helped me get the bedding washed and the kennel moved in here until Friday. And then most of that stuff is getting out of the house. Most of that is going to be gone. Tomorrow we're gonna do a run to Goodwill and drop stuff off because it's the only closest place where we can donate things. And we're gonna get that done. And then we're also gonna work on dusting this area today, dusting the table over here, clean that little piano off, and then we should be about done. These two blankets got washed and put back on here. These two tables were dusted. This was dusted. It was vacuumed over here. These two tables do have to be dusted. But other than that, we should be almost done with living room. You do realize that was not the purpose of pulling the cushions off the couch, right? Here is our finished living room except for mopping from the kitchen doorway. So I moved the dog bed over in front of the girls' door for just a minute so I can mop in here. Again, all of these are dusted off now. Sarah did this one and this one. Madeline did that table. Rebecca helped pick things up out of the floor and helped sweep. That one's done except the tissue box. I'm gonna move this tissue box. I moved the small vase of flowers over here so Madeline could have that table all to herself. I'm gonna put tissue box right here. And then before everybody comes over, I'll move my stuff out of here. Coffee table's done. The chair and couch have both been vacuumed. The piano's been dusted. Everything over here has been swept and dusted. School corner's done. Sarah vacuumed it. I used the upholstery brush on the rug, got it cleaned off. It's pretty much organized over here. There's a couple books over there that are gonna have to be redone. And then I'm gonna save the fireplace for tomorrow because we're gonna be hauling stuff off tomorrow. And then Chubby's in here for now, and he's in the kennel because I'm fixing to mop. But yeah, so I'm gonna mop and then we are done with this room. And just like that, the living room is mopped and clean. Those two rugs will get put back down after the floor is dry, and that basket will go back under that table there. And Chubby's ready for a nap, and the girls are also laying down for a nap, which I'll make it easier to keep everybody off the floor until it's dry. I love how shiny it looks when it's clean. But that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments about any of our Clean With Me videos, let me know in the comments below. And thank you to all of our new subscribers. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.